quick and easy breakfast muffin. It's gonna be square, but it's still like a muffin. So let's have fun with Fuelings. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey. And I'm following Optavia's 5-in-1 program. So far, I have lost 115 pounds. I have 35 pounds left to go to my initial goal. May lose a little more after that, but my initial goal is to lose 150 pounds, and let's see how I feel from there. So this program so far is working wonders for me. Never have I ever lost so much weight and been so consistent at losing weight. And in 47 weeks, I have not hit a plateau. So I'm really excited about how this program is working for me. Now, Optavia says 12 pounds in 12 weeks. Most people are on the program for that amount of time. Maybe I'm unusual. Clearly I am, but that's what is actually working for me. Before I show you how to put this fueling hack transformation together, could you scroll down just a little bit? Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like this kind of content, that you want to see more Fun with Fuelings videos. Leave me comments of fuelings that you think I should be hacking or transforming. And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would. Just hit that subscribe button, and that way you get notified, or you can check it. It'll show up on your YouTube feed when I have posted new videos. I do healthy recipes that are great for anybody who is just trying to eat healthy, whether they are on a weight loss program or not. That is in my Lean and Green with Me series. My Fun with Fuelings is specific to Optavia. And then I also do lots of weight loss tips. I do some unboxings, some questions and answers, and some other fun things that I do, organizational trips, how to travel and stay on a program. So that is what I provide with my videos. If you have ideas for videos that you think I should do, leave those in the comments box down below. I'll check them out. This one could not be any easier, and it uses one of the fuelings that I'm not so crazy about once they transformed it, and that is the Golden Chocolate Chip Pancake. I just find that it is very dry even when I follow the package directions. So I have decided that I'm just gonna find other ways to use it, and since they've discontinued the cream cheese swirl cake, I'm using this basically to replace the cake in a lot of the hacks that I've done in the past. So I'm starting with a golden chocolate chip pancake. I'm just gonna dump that into my bowl. And then the chocolate fudge pudding mix. And I'm gonna dump that into the bowl. And give it a little mixy mix before I add water. So I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water to this mixture. And I just wanna mix it in, make sure that you scrape the bowl down really well. You don't want any pockets of dry mixture anywhere. And I'm just gonna mix it until it is fully combined. And then I'm gonna use my food scale to make sure that I have equal amounts in each of my ramekins. And you can use these paper if you wanna bake it in your own dish, that's fine. The paper ramekins work fine in both the oven and in the air fryer, which is, I use the air fryer just because I like the texture that it has from there. So I'm gonna put a ramekin on there. I'm gonna zero out the scale, and I'm gonna put in what I think is about half and see what that weighs. So I'm gonna get it right at, see if I can get it right at 2 1/4 ounces, because I think that's about what it should be. That's 2 1/4 ounces. And again, zero out my scale. I've done this a few times, and I'm starting to remember some of these measurements. So I should be able to get this one like right at 2 1/4 ounces, which it is. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my little measuring cup here. Actually, I'm going to use my bowl here. Just put a little bit of water in here, and I just want to pat these down so that they're flattened out. And if your fingers are wet, then the fueling doesn't stick to them. So just get it kind of into the corners. It doesn't have to be flat, but just so that it's not a big lump in the middle, because it's kind of a thick mixture. I don't want it runny. And then I'm gonna pop these into the air fryer, and I'm gonna let them air fry at 360 for 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. This is super easy. Like, this is probably one of the shortest Fun with Fuelings I've ever done, because this is super easy, but it makes a great chocolate chip muffin type thing, basically a little muffin square for your breakfast fueling. It is so delicious, and it does away with the dryness. They're still a little bit dry, but they're not nearly as dry as what I think the waffles are or the pancakes are when you try to do them just the way they are plain. I told you these were easy. Look at how quickly they just pop out. They're nice and fluffy. Look at the texture of that. Look at how nice and thick. That is just the pancake mix and the pudding mix. That's it. Water. You don't need egg whites. You don't need baking soda. These are going to be delicious chocolate muffins that I can have for breakfast. So I hope you'll give them a try. Try combinations. I've combined this with the pancake mix with the different shakes as well. Equally as tasty. Give them a try. Try your own combinations. Again, leave me some comments in the comments box down below of things that you'd like to see me try. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.